Hello everybody, my name is Bettina and I am grateful that you clicked on this video. I appreciate your support. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. So normally what I do on this channel is I take an old project from Popular Electronics or Radio Electronics, going way back, and then bringing those circuits to life and then showing you how I build it and giving you a demonstration of the project. Well, this week, I got a bit of a problem. I don't have a completed project. I'm waiting for some parts. I've got two projects, like 99% done, but they're not done. So today I have to show you an old project. So anyway, if you're interested in that, please continue watching, and I appreciate your support. So let me show you what I built. My gosh, I don't even know how long ago it was. I'm going to say like 20 years ago. It was a long time ago. It's a SCR and MOSFET tester. Now, I got this from the web. Now, this is the MOSFET portion here. So you can see it's very simple. All the MOSFET tester is going to do is basically give you a yes or no in terms of its operation, but it will also test for leakage too. So, you know, that's better than nothing, right? It's a very simple tester. I'm sure these days, you know, you can get a zip zap do type of a tester and then do everything for you, but this is really old school, and again, I built it probably like 20 years ago. So yeah, so this is what I built. This is what I came up. And by the way, it does have a second circuit too, an SCR tester. So I kind of combined both of them. So this is the SCR portion, this is the P-type MOSFET, and this is the N-type MOSFET testing. And there's the indicators for the MOSFETs. And above are, well, this light is for the SCR, and this can just conduct or open. So to just give you a, like I said, a yes or a no kind of an answer. And on the back, I've just got a power switch with a good old-fashioned neon bulb. And yeah, so that's it. Let me just flip this thing around and show you the innards. It's hard to do this with one hand. All right, that should do. So you can see the AC coming in, and there's some safety caps in there and a transformer. And as you can see, this is more or less point-to-point wiring. I was making circuit boards back then, but at this point, the circuit was so simple, so I just decided to do point-to-point wiring, which is fine. Got a couple of resistors there, and switches, lights, binding posts, etc., and a good old-fashioned fuse. So it's very simple circuit. I don't have the schematic for the SCR tester, unfortunately. And I tried to look up this schematic where I got it from, but I have no idea where it came from. So if you're at home and you want to build this, well, take a screenshot and go for it. But these days, you can get a lot better testers on the internet. There's a lot out there with some 555 timers, and those might be better. But anyway, let me button this thing up. I'll put the cover back on, and I'll flip it around, and we'll do some tests on an SCR and a MOSFET. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so right now I've got a MOSFET, an N-channel MOSFET, 2SK something or another. And it's gate drain source. So I've got the leads connected correctly, gate drain source. And the power is turned on. And to test it, all I have to do is adjust the potentiometer here that I have. And you can see it came back green right away. I'll just back off a little bit. There it is, conducting. And if it was a bad one, we would have got one of the red lights to go on. I believe if there was a short between the drain and source, the left one would go on. And if it was drain at gate, then you would get the right one go on. And I have seen it go red, actually. I've had some repairs in the past where I put it on the tester, and sure enough, it was bad. So yeah, that's about all there is to say about that. And there is a switch here for N-type and P-type, so I've got it set for N-type. So that's how easy it is. Now let me put an SCR at the top here, and we're going to test out as an SCR. All right, hang on, I'll get things set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. So we got an SCR on there. It's ECG 5462 maybe. The pinout is cathode anode gate. So I've got the correct pinouts connected to my tester. And it's as simple as just going conduct. Yes, it works. And then open. It's open. So that's all there is to it. You know, it's very basic. I feel ashamed actually showing you the project, but you know, it was something that I built in the past and I use. So I just wanted to pass this information along to you. I know this isn't a full-blown project like I usually put out every week, but like I said, I've got 2 on the go, and I'm probably going to start a 3rd one this weekend. Today's a Saturday, but I definitely won't get it done for a couple days. But anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And if you haven't checked out some of my other videos, please go back and check them out. And I appreciate your support. Bye for now.